Okay, welcome to the Tampa Cruise Port. My first time here. I'm going to head out on the Royal Caribbean Enchantment of the Seas. Let's go. Let's raise 8. Thank you.
Before I show you the cabin, I'm going to do what I always do first. Head to the muster station. Let's get it over with.
I'm sure I'm going to hear a lot of noise from this area.
Closing the hallway door helps a little, but not a lot.
Because my cabin is right here. 7098.
All the events in the stateroom seem to stop by 11:30 at night.
It's got an ocean view. I did get a royal upgrade for $420 from an interior on the second deck.
I actually bid $210, but because I'm traveling solo, I had to pay double. It was definitely worth it.
Okay, it's a good size room. Nice big picture window. Can handle that. Let's see what we got here. How about turning on the lights first? Okay. It's got a sofa, desk with drawers, cabinet with a safe. Got my free waters. There's the water that I ordered. Oh, that'll be great. It's like a king or queen size bed, you know, the cruise ship style. I like that it's right next to the window.
The beds do split apart into two small twins.
Looks like the window could use some painting. It's gonna be weird without a balcony. But I've had an ocean view before. And this is Terminal 2. And there's a Margaritaville at sea over there.
I put a clip in at the end that shows it following us.
And it's got a mini fridge. All the Royal Caribbean ships I've been on have one. Norwegian too. And it just drawers with a hairdryer. I don't see any USB ports. Just regular sockets. So bring a USB adapter, but not one that has a cord.
Most cruise lines prohibit that type.
Okay, let's check out the bathroom. I don't like the curtain, but it's good size. Oh yeah, that'll be plenty enough room.
I don't like the curtains because they tend to cling to you, but the water pressure in this bathroom was awesome. And I have plenty of room.
Oh, where's the thermostat? It's one thing I worry about in the interior type room. Actually, what I worry about in any room. I want to be able to control the temperature. And it looks like it's already on cold, so it doesn't feel bad in here right now.
I'd call the air conditioning in the cabin adequate. I think I only had one night that was warm.
Welcome aboard. Royal Caribbean's Enchantment of the Seas. I get free alcohol from the casino and from my Diamond Plus, but I got the beverage package just for the soda because I don't want to feel like I have to drink alcohol all the time. I use one of these elastic bands to go around the cup because everybody has one of the same cup, like one of 2 or 4 colors. So identify your own. You don't want to be picking up somebody else's. Another tip from Rick's Trips.
They had a really fun sail-away party on this ship, probably because it was filled with spring breakers. They were well behaved though. That was the Margaritaville following us out of the harbor. I love sailing out of Tampa. It's a beautiful harbor, and when you go under the bridge, that's something you don't want to miss. Definitely get up to the front of the bow, and if possible, up to the highest deck. This 5-night cruise had just 2 stops, Costa Maya and Cozumel. Wait for those videos. They'll be coming out soon. Hope you like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.